The opioid epidemic in the United States is having tragic consequences, and the effect is being felt all over the world. Opioids are a class of drug that include the illegal drug heroin, synthetic opioids such as fentanyl, and pain relievers available legally by prescription, such as oxycodone, commonly known as OxyContin, hydrocodone, commonly known as Vicodin, codeine, morphine, and many others. Chances are your opiate use started out innocently enough, and you experienced pain of some kind, perhaps following surgery, and a doctor prescribed one of the above medications. But after a while, your system became used to the substance, and you found you needed more and more to keep the pain at bay. The next thing you know, you found the name and number of your local heroin dealer, and off you went. Sustained opioid use very rapidly develops tolerance, the need for more of the drug to get the same effect, or a need for it to be taken in larger amounts. In time, your brain and body get used to the increased level of opioids in your system. Regular users begin to build a tolerance to heroin or other opiates, which means they need to increase in the frequency and amount of the drug they use. Opioid addiction is ruining the lives of a huge number of people. Doctors are known to overprescribe this dangerous medication and have created an epidemic. Research shows that only 10% of those who are addicted to opioids end up seeking treatment. People in the field of addiction treatment are concerned about this low rate. Opioids are extremely addictive, and their very nature, they are in high risk of overdose. In fact, opioids are responsible for the highest number of drug-related injuries and deaths. Because of their potential for physical addiction and uncomfortable withdrawal symptoms, relapse is common for those who try to quit on their own. People with opioid addiction need specialized treatment because it's almost impossible to stop on their own. If you or a loved one are struggling with opioid addiction, it's important to get help. You can't do this alone, and it takes a great deal of help and support to stop using opioids. When someone enters treatment from opioid addiction, it is vital to get expert help from the withdrawal experience. If you would like to get help for yourself or a loved one, Miracles Asia on the beautiful island of Phuket in Thailand may just be the opioid addiction treatment rehab that you are looking for. At Miracles Asia, we will work closely with you to help you begin your life of recovery from whatever opiate you become addicted to, and learn how to live a good life free from the grip of a drug. We have helped many people successfully recovered from opioid addiction so that they can manage their lives with confidence and without drugs. Call for a no-obligation free assessment with a trained specialist.